Hey dear. We are going to show you best night light for sleeping, remote control for lighting, night lamp we've created. This list is based on my personal opinion based on our research and the value of sustainability, and further, we include options for each type of consumer. So if you are looking for the best product money, want to buy a good product, of course, you will find the link in the description below to see more information and updated prices on the products mentioned. So let's start with best night light for sleeping, remote control for lighting, night lamp. Number 5. Brand name, VK Tech. Description: this product belongs to the combination of 4-color watermark lamp and green laser. The watermark has 4 colors, red, white, blue and green. The laser color is green. The remote control can adjust the watermark color, watermark speed, watermark mode, Bluetooth mode, watermark single control, laser single control, brightness, music control, sound control, selection mode, timing function, switch, any mobile phone or other device to turn on Bluetooth. All can be connected without checking. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 4. Brand name, WSQCCM. Specifications: input voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Output voltage, 5V 2000 mAh. Product power, RGBW, 6W. Power supply mode, USB cable. Music mode, U-Disc, card reader, Bluetooth. Bluetooth code, BTK10. Packaging material, color box. Romantic colorful starry sky ocean projector nightlight remote control ocean wave projection lamp with Bluetooth music speaker. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 3. Brand name, Mahiclux. Descriptions: base material, ABS plastic. Light guide plate material, acrylic. Process, laser engraving. Power mode, USB battery, battery not included. Input voltage, DC 5V. Light source, LED. Light color, 7 colorful change. Light pattern, 3D stereoscopic figure as pictures show. Power supply, USB powered. Switch mode, touch switch, can change colors. Product voltage, 5V. LED night lights Star Series Wars the Rise of Skywalker desk lamp. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 2. Brand name, YAB Strip. Features: high quality ABS and PC lamp shade materials, uniform light and strong light transmission. Physical touch can turn the wall light on and off when the user's body touches the surface. The capacitive sensor acts as a switch to open or close each component. The components can be easily spliced together by a magnet located at the edge of the product. The hexagonal shape allows these components to be nested together and provides opportunities for a variety of different structures. Unique geometric design, not only can be illuminated, but also can decorate your house. Widely used. Can be placed in the living room, bedroom. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 1. Brand name, Awinco. Functions: item type, 3D LED night light. Base material, ABS plastic. Light guide plate material, acrylic. Process, laser engraving. Power mode, USB battery, battery not included. Input voltage, DC 5V. Light source, LED. Light color, 7 colorful change. Light pattern, 3D stereoscopic figure as pictures show. Power supply, USB powered. Desk light lava lamp acrylic illusion room atmosphere lighting. For more information, product link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.